Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.43 trillion. We're up 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is sitting at 43.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild green across the board. But again, nothing to be getting super excited about as of now because we still need Bitcoin to hit specific price targets for us to be excited, in my opinion. And we will get into Bitcoin charts later on in this video. But today, guys, I want to look further into Shiba Inu. All right, so Shiba Inu holders, if we are looking at the price right now, Shiba Inu is trading at 0.000000847 cents. We are up 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also up in Bitcoin comparative by 1.4%. But in Ethereum comparative, we are down 1.3% in just the last 24 hours. Shiba's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 26 spot. Market cap right now is $4.2 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $328 million. Again, guys, this is happening once again. We are seeing the trading volume a very, very low for a project like SHIB because we know how much there is how much interest there really is in Shiba right now. Literally, the entire world is talking about that. So if we consider all these factors, guys, the buying pressure is very, very low for Shiba as of now. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, though, obviously in the last 1 year, we are up quite a bit, but in the last 30 days, we are down 10.5%. But in the last 7 days, we're starting to see some upwards momentum occur. We're up 18.4%. So far, everything is looking not so bad. And, I believe things can get very, very, bullish. But we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very, very closely. But if we are looking at Shiba's holders, guys, I like going over this number every single day so we can get a better understanding how fast the community really is growing. And right now, the holders for Shiba token are 578,431 holders for the Shiba token. And this number is growing at a tremendous rate. We are seeing this number climb day by day, and I would not be surprised. This would not be coming as a surprise to me at all if we do see Shiba holders reach 1 million holders by the end of this year, considering how fast it is going towards the upside. If we are looking on CoinGecko, please keep this in mind. I have mentioned this before as well. Top 30 trending coins, and this is from June 26th to July 2nd. So basically yesterday. You guys can see the number one trending coin is Shiba Inu, and by no means has it not been has only been trending only from the 26th to July 2nd. It has been trending number one on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap for the last month and a half. I have been keeping my eyes on this, and I can say that myself that Shiba is trending on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So if we are looking at these factors, considering it's being ranked number one. A lot of people are searching it. There's a lot of hype built into it, a lot of exciting news coming on, especially Coinbase listing, which obviously people are waiting for. When is that exactly going to happen? But Coinbase has officially announced they will be listing Shiba Inu. Considering all these factors, guys, the buying volume is very, very low right now. So we need to point that out when we are looking at the charts. But now let's get into the price and see what's exactly going on and where Shiba could be going in the immediate short term. So this is the daily chart for you guys right now. We saw Shiba went all the way down to this 0.791 cents mark, but we saw us go back above this level of resistance very, very fast. So far, we're starting to see Shiba trade within this range, guys. You guys can see we're trading within this range, and as long as it trades within this range between this support level and this resistance level, I believe we are in the right zone. But now comes the question, will we break below and see these price levels once again? And now comes the question, where is Bitcoin sitting at right now? If you do not know, this is your first time coming into cryptocurrencies or you're new to my channel, just let me point one thing out for you guys. The entire cryptocurrency markets revolve around Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is basically, in a way, the leading indicator of the entire market, meaning it rules the market. So if Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, majority of the markets, including Shiba, will follow the path of Bitcoin. So this is why it's a very, very important for altcoin holders to be looking at Bitcoin charts at all times. And as of now, we are looking at Bitcoin. Obviously, we are approaching the weekend. This is a long weekend coming, 4th of July. And if you guys don't know, we do tend to see the most manipulation occurring in the cryptocurrency space during the weekends. And as you guys can see, we are back within this range for Bitcoin. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that Bitcoin has been accumulating over these past price levels over the last 1 month and a half. And we have been consolidating. But this is a level at this $33,300 mark is a very, very important, and we need to be looking at this price very, very closely. Why is that? Now you may be asking Crypto ZX, why is this level very, very important? Let me point that out for you guys. Because guys, this is playing as a last life support for Bitcoin, because if we break below it, the door for going below $30,000 opens up. So far, we're seeing bulls come out and save the price of Bitcoin, and right now we're sitting above this level of support. But by no means does this mean that we are out of the woods just yet. Absolutely not. We do still have a very high likelihood that we could fall below this level of support approaching the weekend. As I have mentioned, we're approaching a long weekend, and this could be a time for the bears to push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside. So what does that mean for Shiba? One thing I'm going to point out is, let's say we do break below it and are unable to close above this $33,300 mark, we could see us fall back down to possibly even $30,000. And this would be the next, bounce. I'm seeing sport. We should see bulls come out here and save the day. If we're unable to bounce off here, we could, this is the next $28,685 would be where we could expect more bull volume coming in to save the day. But if that does not happen, then the door for $25,000 is open. Now comes the question, considering all these facts we have mentioned, what does that mean for SHIB? So what this would mean is that we would easily be able to break below this level of support and possibly get back into this range very, very easily. So we need to point that out there when we are looking at the charts. I know we all want to see Shiba just go straight to the moon. We want something like this happening. Let me just bring out the highlighter. We just want this. But, obviously everyone wants that, but I hate to say it, that is just not the case. That is very, very unlikely. because cryptocurrencies never go straight up forever. There's always going to be consolidation phases that occur, and around those times, that's where you need to have patience. Shiba, at the end of the day, is a meme coin, and we need to do our own due diligence and invest what we can afford to lose. That's all, guys. You do not want to be throwing your life savings into Shiba or any crypto assets, by no means. You always want to invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own due diligence before investing. Obviously, there are a lot of meme coins launching day by day, and I can confidently tell you this, that majority, literally 98, possibly even 99.8% of them are definitely not here to stay. Obviously, we did see this Dogecoin mania start, and we saw Elon Musk hop on the ride and push Dogecoin to literally crazy levels. Now people are saying, will he do the same with Shiba? And considering all these factors that I had mentioned, Coinbase listing, Robinhood rumors going around, and we're seeing the community grow at an exponential rate, half of the supply being burned, this coin could be here to stay, in my personal opinion. And I do hold Shiba, and that's why I am covering content on here on this channel for you guys. But by no means am I saying Shiba is going through the moon tomorrow. Absolutely not. We need to have patience. Without patience, I'm sorry to break it to you, cryptocurrencies might not be the right thing for you. You'll never get rich overnight in cryptocurrencies. We might see consolidation phases that could occur for a month, 2 months, couple weeks. That could be very, very boring, but that's where your patience is tested. So that's why it's very, very important to have patience in this cryptocurrency market. Right now, one thing I want to point out for you guys is obviously Bitcoin is going towards the downside, so this does not come as a surprise to me. But we need more buying pressure to kick in for Shiba to really kickstart this rally towards the upside that we all are waiting for. And this is where all my eyes are set at this 105 level. This is where we kill another zero, which Shiba holders like saying. And we need to break above it and actually stay above here to look bullish. Right now, that is not the case. We have been trying to break out of this range for quite some time. Over the last month and a half, Shiba has been trying to break above it. We have seen wicks towards the upside, but it has unable to hold above it. So this is why it's very, very important for us to break above it and hold above there for us to see some sort of move towards the upside. Considering all the factors, as I have mentioned, we do have a lot of exciting news definitely coming up for Shiba this year. Shiba Swap is the most hyped one. We are seeing, obviously, Coinbase. That would be a catalyst for a lot of retail investors that are waiting for Shiba to get listed on Coinbase, one-stop shop. They can easily purchase Shiba. That is a bullish thing, along with rumors for Robinhood. And we do have a community that is growing at an exponential rate. Let's say all these guys, 578,000 holders actually hold, guys. They're not panic selling. That's a very, very bullish sign on its own, because that shows that there's not much selling pressure for Shiba. But that does not mean that we cannot see whale manipulation occur for Shiba. We need to keep all these factors in mind, guys, when we are looking at the prices for Shiba. It's very, very risky. This is why it's very important to always invest what you can afford to lose and do your due diligence and research before investing in these markets. I do see a potential, I have mentioned this before, I do see positive bullish potential for Shiba, considering all the factors that I have mentioned, but we need to be very, very careful, and we need to look at Bitcoin charts on a daily basis along with BTC dominance for us to see what is going to happen, because those two indicators are very, very important when we are looking at the altcoin prices. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see Shiba go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my video get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for every thing you guys do for me, all the support that you guys show me. It means the world to me. And remember, I do this for you guys, my regular viewers. You guys know who you are. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.